Hello friends, welcome to my channel Engineered Choice. In today's video, we will discuss about some remaining basic terms of the power system, plant capacity factors and plant use factor. In previous video, in part 3 video, we discussed about demand factor, average load factor, diversity factor. If you have not seen the part 3 or part 2 videos, then you can visit my playlist, or I will give the link of that video in my description. So let's start. Plant capacity factor. It is a ratio of actual energy produced to maximum plant rating at given time. Okay, it is a ratio of actual energy produced by plant to the maximum plant rating at a given time. That is, actual energy produced by that plant to the maximum plant rating and time period. The time period may be in year, monthly or weekly. Okay, if we consider 1 year, the annual plant factor is given by annual kilowatt hour output. What is output of that plant to the plant capacity and time period. In 1 year there is a 8760 hours. That is, we can also calculate the hours in 1 year. In 1 day there is 24 hours. So in 365 days, 24 into 365, then it will be our 876 hours. The plant capacity factor is an indication of reserve capacity of plant. Reserve capacity means what is a storage capacity of that plant. The plant capacity factor indicates. The next point is the installed capacity of a plant is always greater than maximum demand on plant. Means the installation capacity of the plant is always greater than maximum demand. And we can also see the reserve capacity is equal to plant capacity minus maximum demand. If we subtract maximum demand from plant capacity, then we can get the reserve capacity. And if maximum demand on the plant equal to the plant capacity, then plant will have no reserve capacity. From this equation we can see, if these two value, maximum demand and plant capacity, are become equal, then there will be 0. If these two are equal, then there will be 0 value of reserve capacity. That is, no reserve capacity of a plant. Now let's talk about the plant use factor. It is a ratio of kilowatt hour generated to the product of the plant capacity and the number of hours for which the plant was in operation. That is, plant use factor, station output in kilowatt, and plant into plant capacity, hours of use. Okay, this plant use factor indicates for how many times we use the plant or output of the plant or station. Okay, let's understand this by an example. Suppose a plant having installed capacity is 20 megawatt, produces annual output of 7.35 10 to power 6 kilowatt hour and remains in operation for 2190 hours in a year. Okay, then we have plant use capacity factor. Plant use factor will be station output in kilowatt. What is the output of a station in kilowatt? 7.35 into 10 to the power 6 kilowatt hour by plant capacity. What is plant capacity? 20 megawatt. If we convert 20 megawatt into watt, there will be 10 to the power 6. That is what. And hours of use, how many hours is there? 2190 hours. So we can cancel this and this by using the calculator. We can calculate 7.35 into 10 to the power, not 10 to the power, sorry, by 20 into 2190. It will be 1.67 10 to the power minus 4. We can also convert into the percent, multiplying, then there would be 1.67 10 to the minus 2%, that is 0.0167%. Sorry, I did a mistake. Here is a given kilowatt hour, then we have to multiply also with 10 to power 3, and it will be our 16.7%. Sorry, and this is our plant use factor in 1 year. So you guys, if you like my channel, you can subscribe, like and share. Thank you.